everybody, it's nighttime and we are finishing up with we've just finished up with the electrical and the trailer. I'm going to give you a very quick little overview of what we have done. Okay, we have flipped this around. This is the view that will be greeting people when they come to the trailer. Let's see if I can get that a little bit. There you go. Some blue light underneath as if it's floating on water. After all, this is called the Coffee Ark, and arks do float in water. So we have lights on either side to be able to have our menus underneath, lighting on the door itself, and of course some nice lighting inside. String lights running around. They're plastic bulbs, so they should last a lot longer and have far less of an issue. Then let us go inside. Now our main lighting is all the way up at the top here. Let me go in and shut off our main lighting. That is the main light, and as you can see we have those string bulbs all the way around. Then we can go ahead and shut off the outside lights. As you can see right there, lights on, off, and we can turn those lights off. And you can see underneath the cabinetry we have LED lights, an LED light strip underneath the entire cabinet. Well, at least no, sorry, not under the cabinet, underneath the whole countertop. So let me go ahead and turn that off also. Now you're in pitch dark, and we shall slowly but surely turn on our main lights again and bring this back up. And this is on a dimmer. We can keep it higher or lower depending on how much light we need. And that's it. Tomorrow we start on the electrical. I'm sorry, not on the electrical. Tomorrow we carry on with the plumbing and see how that goes. I'm hoping to get the plumbing done within a day or two and then start installing appliances. As you can see, we have our 4 sinks, 2 faucets. The company that's selling the faucets sold me 2 separate faucets that are very different. I'm not sure why. I have emailed them and have not heard back. I'm hoping to hear back from them by tomorrow. It could be that there's a reason for it, and if not, so then I'll either ask them to replace one of the faucets or just leave them as they are. I don't know that it necessarily makes that much of a difference to me. And that's it. We will see you guys tomorrow when we start working on the plumbing.